Okay, it's December 31. This is the Herbalist Street, Rua dos Ervanários. We're gonna walk down it in a moment, and you can see all these kind of antique stuff and all kinds of interesting stuff all the way down. So we're definitely gonna explore it. Before we go down, we have some other interesting alleys with some artwork like that. And then we also have a place where they're watching movies, which is right here on Terceira, Rua dos Terceira Street. And then down this way is a parallel street to Ervanários, which is called Our Lady of Empora, Nossa Senhora do Emporo. That's that one. But we are going to walk down our little alley, Ervanários. So stay tuned. Documenting the city, seeing what it looks like in 2024. Come on, join me. So that's going to be our target street down that way. So we're just going to try to capture, got all these watching movies in this area. We are going to try to go down this way. Just kind of go up like this, kind of waiting for the crowds. Then we're going to walk down Ervanários, but we do have this movie night, I guess. It's December 31st. So let's check it all out. There's also antique. We got antiques here, and the literal translation, I believe, is herbalist. This coffee shop keeps changing, keeps getting more and more popular, more and more people. And now it's at kind of the base of the Herbalist Street, Ervanários Street. Okay. Got this little alley. This is a popular little space. And we're gonna do all these little alleys as well. That's the food that they got. You know, these lines, and then actually this area they usually do like mahjong and such, but I don't, you know, the area is changing. During COVID there was nobody around, so there's just locals. It's a bathroom down that way. So we're gonna head back this way. Yeah, usually they'll watch TV right here. And usually be very quiet, and they'll be there at 3 in the morning, all times of the day and night. Okay. And you have all these little alleys as well. Travessa, a lane. We're gonna say hi to Pedro. He's the food truck owner. So we'll say hello. I think it's right here. I don't see his Hey Pedro.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Happy New Year. And we'll continue on. So that's food truck right there. So so we just made a little stop by excursion there. So he's been getting a lot of people coming in asking for a certain food that's really popular now. It's called chipa pao. But he's out. He said it's been so busy today that all of it is sold out in one day. But he had enough for 3 days for the whole weekend. So okay, it's getting a little bit dark here, so we're going to be ending our video in a moment. Dos Ervanários. We have some pretty good lights, but sometimes the lighting doesn't always come out very well. So we're going to be coming out to the end of our street, and actually, yeah, today is actually they made this other street into a pedestrian street, so I'm going to walk over there real quick. And this is very unusual that they did this. And he was just telling me, I was stopped at food truck there, and he was telling me that there's this, people are just kind of pouring through Sao Paulo ruins down Amparo, Calçada do Amparo, like a street of steps. So just pouring down and coming into his restaurant as well. And I guess his chipa pao is really well known, so he's been getting a lot of business there all day today, just one after another. And even when I was there, I just talked to him for about maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and we had probably about 7 or 8 people come through. That's it for chipa pao. And I just left because there was more knocking at his window. But yeah, that red door, yellow red food truck is right in that space. So yeah, very, very busy. So we're gonna conclude this video for Ervanários. And we're just gonna come up to the base of it, the very, very top. And then we're gonna end it. But there's some kind of cool stuff up here. They got this keels. It's all over the casinos. But it's been kind of a photogenic spot today. And we have that right there too. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Then this will be the end of our street. And right now what they're doing today is they're creating this, all the pedestrians, they created more space because the sidewalk's a little too narrow. They're moving all the traffic down, and usually the traffic would go down this Amparo Street right here. But because, but today they cannot. So we're gonna end our video. So this is the Amparo, and then the Ervanários was on the other side. Let me just walk over there, and then we'll end it looking at that Target Street. It's kind of nice. Ending right there. And there's our Target Street, Ervanários. The lighting is just about right too, wow. Okay, so we're gonna end it for Ervanários. And you can also see Área de Ervanários 2023 since 1849. And we're gonna end it right there. Documenting the city, seeing what it looks like in 2024. Come on, join me.